Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brussels Car Show, where we have the chance to see the European premiere of the new Honda Jazz. So in front of us we have the special advanced sport trim, which is also the new trim for the new Honda Jazz. Let's explore the details. First thing you notice is the new front grille, new bumper, and also the housing of the lights is darker now. And I really love the fact that this looks more sporty in my opinion now. And also the bumpers are, let's say, more dynamic, especially in this trim where you have this in gloss black. The grille is also a bit different. And the name of this color, this is the special urban gray metallic color, my personal favorite for the Honda Jazz if you ask me. And it's been introduced with this advanced sport trim. Now before we move on, let me show you the specs. So the advanced sport trim, as I told you, 122 horsepower hybrid powertrain, eCVT transmission. So the revised powertrain, hybrid powertrain on this model. Let me show you the wheels, special wheels for this trim, dual tone, gloss black and silver, 285/55 R16. That's the dimension of the tires. You see the side skirts are also finished in gloss black, as well as the wing mirrors. Now the Jazz has a very thin A-pillar, therefore making it very nice to drive because you see visibility is really great, 10 out of 10. You also have this extra window here. Moving on to the side, and you see we have a lot of room in the cabin. I will show you that in a moment, but for now let's check out the rear of this car with the horizontal lights and the new bumper. Now this bumper has very pronounced section here, almost like the diffuser, gloss black element and Jazz lettering of course, and the hybrid lettering for the Honda hybrid models. And one cool detail that you don't often see in modern day cars, this is it, look at this, the exhaust pipe, the real one, which is once again not something that you often see. Let me show you the car from this angle. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? And now you can open the tailgate. There we go, nice square shape here and additional room here. So look at this, very practical. Also this car has the magic seats. I will explain to you what they are in a moment. Also the blue elements next to the badge, actually incorporated into the badge itself. And now it's time to check out the interior. And we have the very nice minimalistic interior with the dual screens. Here is where we have the stitching, the yellow one, the same as the stitching on the steering wheel of course, and the seats. And this door pocket has the special place here for your bottles, for example. The switches of course for the windows and mirrors. But now without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. Starting with a wider view, nice 3-spoke steering wheel in front of us, 7-inch digital cockpit, 9-inch main touchscreen with the new Honda Connect infotainment system, and overall very clean design and sort of like the lounge feel behind the steering wheel. Now from different angle, I just want to show you how practical this is, because look at this, for example, some storage area also on the other side here as well, additional room, and in the middle the cup holders, actually cup holder and the storage area, and then this is additional storage area. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it. You can watch my review of, for example, Honda Civic, the new one that has the Honda Connect infotainment system. There you will see more details. And that's pretty much it. Now you see how visibility is great here, because this is really good and you have a lot of glass surfaces. Therefore, you know, it's easy to see everything and you don't have much of a blind spot. Now let's check out the rear bench, where you will see that we have some impressive details. And prepare to be surprised now, because when I open this door, you see how much room we have in a car like this. So it's really impressive, because if I step inside, look at this, still a lot of room for myself. I'm 1.87 m and I've just been sitting here on the front. So they actually have this innovative thing where they put the fuel tank in the center of the chassis, so underneath the front seats, and therefore here you have huge amount of room. USB-C ports at the back, additional room here. Look at this, also you can put a smaller element in this. And now I can show you also the magic seats, but before that let me show you how much space I have for my head. Okay, and look at this, still a lot of room left. This is really impressive, 10 out of 10 for practicality and the amount of room that I have here at the back. This is just amazing. And of course, Jazz has got the magic seats. Show you now what they are. So you can do this, you can do the same with the other seat. And then you have a lot of room here for whatever you want, for example, bicycle or something like that. Now, how cool and how practical is that? And next to the standard Jazz, we also have the Cross Star here on the display, also having the European Premier, more robust look. You see the plastic wheel arches and a bit of a different side skirts, gloss black, door handles. This is how it looks from the rear. Tell me in the comments, which one do you actually prefer? Okay guys, and that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come, and tell me in the comments, how do you like the new Honda Jazz?